some of the recent developments in the field of education, specifically education catering to science. So all new developments would be understood here. The first is the Inspire program. This is known as, the acronym is important, so Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research Program. This is a program with DST, Departments of Science and Technology, along with NIF, the National Innovation Foundation. The idea is to focus on innovation learning, mainly programs for the students, and this helps to communicate to the youth population. There are three schemes for the same. Those are the scheme for early attraction of talents for science, scholarship for higher education, and assured opportunity for research careers. Now the next is the Manak scheme. Manak scheme, the acronym is again important. Very important schemes for your paper 1 examination. Cover this very carefully. So this is Million Minds Augmenting National Aspirations and Knowledge. This was executed again by DST and NIF India, the National Innovation Foundation. The idea is to motivate people in the age group of 10 to 15 years studying in class 6 to 10 and have a target of 1 million original ideas to be created. So this has started at the school level. Best 5 students have been nominated by the schools to the mid-October, by the schools by mid-October every year, and then we have the submissions of the original idea through the e-management of Inspire Awards Manak scheme that has to take place. The program reaches the various districts and schools through the regional workshops, audiovisual tools, and literature. The next is the Vigyan Jyoti, Engage with Science. Now this offers students specifically from the rural area to work in the field of science. So mainly for the STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and maths, mainly among the grade 9 to 12 students for higher education. Top 100 students from 550 districts would be chosen based on the percentile system, and then there would be integrative science programs, interactive programs coordinated by Vigyan Prasar, which would be available on the top of India Science over the top platform, the OTT platform which has started. The next is KVPY. This is one of the programs by DST and IISc. The idea is to encourage students to take up basic sciences and not applied sciences, and those students selected under KVPY fellowship would be eligible for pre-PhD for 5 years and get fellowship and contingency grants. The next is Jigyasa program. This has been launched by CSIR and Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. The idea is to inculcate scientific temperament among students of Kendra Vidyalaya. Nearly 1,150 Kendra Vidyalaya with 38 national laboratories are now part of it, where more than 1 lakh students and 1,000 teachers annually join hand. The next is Science Club. So VIP Net. What is VIP Net? Very important question. It is Vigyan Prasar Network of Science Club. Basically organizes and establishes societies for implications to the society purpose and focusing on science and technology at the grassroots level. So it brings in a spirit of curiosity, inquiry and innovation. The next is National Science Congress. Now National Science Congress has been conducted at district levels, state levels. So group of students come together with science activities. It is done by the National Council of Science and Technology Communication under DST, Government of India, between the age group of 10 to 17 years to provide scientific understanding with social issues and help children solve the issues, build models, bring in practical solutions and predict what could be better ways of development which can be actually useful in numerous ways. So those are some of the important schemes that we have talked about. Vigyan Jyoti, one of the major schemes, and then Manak schemes. Also we have the VVM, which is the Vigyan Manthan, and that is one of the programs which has been started in the name of Vijnana Bharati, and this basically focuses on the development of the children. So it is an exam that is held for the students to get students empowered and know about the ancient Indian science and technology. So again, VVM is one of the important exams or important segment that has to be focused. So in this section, we have focused about Manak, we have focused about Inspire, National Science Congress, Vigyan Jyoti, VVM as some of the major developments in India. We would be covering many more interesting topics with you. Stay tuned. Wish you good luck. And for paper 1, we have a separate playlist that we have created, which is 2021 expected questions. Very important, and these are some of the most important topics for you to cover. The links for more details are available in the description. Wish you very good luck and looking forward to hear from you back after your examination.